Yeah, I come to Whole Foods. Hi! Hello, little birdie. Someone must feed them around here. Look. They got the red birds. I'm on my way to get bird seed right now. Rose. Because I want to see more this one. This is the type of bird that I seen the other day in that yard. It was this one right here. Yeah. And that's a baby, huh? It's a big one. And then the blue jays. Oh my god, I can't believe I saw 3 of them yesterday. 3 blue jays. Yeah. They were amazing. Yeah, 3 of them came my way. Little blue jays. 3 little blue jays came my way yesterday. Woo! What is up there? Oh, that's diapers. Protective underwear. I don't know why I keep picking up on that. Adult diapers. Maybe taking care of somebody. Oh yeah, I said I would be the one taking care of my dad when he's in diapers. But this is where that guy usually sits. You know, he's the birds, but the birds are always around here.
I was like, okay.
Birds is always around here, and they're my very best friend. I have to go get them bird seeds today.